Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Infinity. This is my first video and today I'm going to show you how to install Android Studio 3, the Canary or the preview version on your system. So first go to google.com and search for Android Studio 3 and click on that link and go down. You could go through this page just to read about all the features of the new Android Studio 3 and go to that download section and click on that link. Click on download, check I agree and click on download again. Now it starts downloading and those are the Windows instructions to install or set up the studio. Now you can extract the downloaded file and you actually need the previous version of the Android Studio before you actually install the Canary version. So make sure you got that. Now rename this folder to Android Studio Preview or something and right click, cut and go to your computer, C drive, program files, Android or wherever you have installed your previous Android Studio, and inside that folder paste this. And now go inside our preview folder and go to the bin folder and double click on Studio 64 if you're on a 62-bit machine, or double click Studio if you're on a 32-bit machine. If you want, you can import your previous settings, and that's it. You've set up your Android Studio Canary version on your system. You can begin developing using Kotlin, and also a lot of other features have been integrated into this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on Android app development in Kotlin. Thank you.